What if one small green fruit could give you big health benefits and big profits? Yes, today we are talking about Amla farming, one of India's most powerful and profitable crops. Amla grows best in tropical and subtropical climates. The ideal temperature range is 25 to 38 degrees Celsius. It is a drought-tolerant crop, making it perfect for low-water farming. The best soil for amla is well-drained sandy loam, with a pH between 6.5 and 8.5. The good news? Amla can grow even in poor soils with minimal irrigation. Amla plants can be grown using seeds, budding, or grafting. But for early fruiting and higher yield, always choose grafted plants. Maintain a spacing of 4 to 5 meters between plants for proper sunlight and airflow. Regular pruning helps remove weak branches and improves fruit quality. For better growth, apply vermicompost, cow dung, and balanced NPK fertilizers. Irrigation is required only during the first few years. Once established, amla trees need very little water. Common pests like fruit borers, aphids, and mealybugs can be controlled using neem oil or biopesticides. Fungal diseases can be avoided by ensuring good drainage and using organic fungicides. Amla trees start producing fruits in 3 to 4 years. Harvesting is done between November and February. A single mature tree can give 50 to 70 kilograms of fruit per season, making amla farming a highly profitable long-term business. With rising demand in Ayurveda, food, and cosmetic industries, amla farming is a low-maintenance and sustainable income option for farmers. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture. See you in the next video. Happy farming!